Hello, my purse peeps. I am here with an I Love Dooney unboxing of some items that are currently on sale now at I Love Dooney. I actually purchased these items during a prior 30% off sale, and I had yet to unbox them. So I thought now is the perfect time. So please join me. Perhaps these are some items you might want to pick up given their current sale. Okay, let's dig right in here. Okay, so this first item is the Dooney and Bourke Pebble Grain Presley. And let me get all the paper off so you can get the full view of Miss Presley here. She is in the color Elephant, and she is number 6 of 25. I hope you can see that if you care about those details. So this bag I purchased during their sale away sale, which was also 30% off, and it was back in July, and I'm just now opening her. And I'm sure you other Dooney nieces understand when they have a really good sale, you kind of snag things up and maybe don't open it as soon as you would like. So just the overview of the Presley. I picked her up because she just reminds me of that everyday bag, something that you can carry all the time to work, errands, whatever. And because she's pebbled leather, she'll really hold up and you don't have to baby her. I can tell you right now that the Pebble Grain Presley is on sale using the code FRIENDS, RFRIENDS, for their friends and family sale, and it's 30% off. The Presley is normally $248. That's the Dooney and Bourke normal price. On I Love Dooney, they offer 25% off, and it's $186. However, right now with the friends and family sale, using the code FRIEND, all caps, it's $130.20. So if you're interested in a Presley, perhaps now's the right time to get her. She's in the pebbled leather, color is Elephant. She has the beautiful Sierra leather trim with the beautiful braided zipper pulls. She has that Dooney and Bourke plaque right up front. The nice front pocket with the red interior. I'm sure I can fit my cell phone in that pocket. She has an adjustable strap, which is in leather, as you can see. And the strap is adjustable up to 23.75 inches. So it gives you lots of options there. And let's look at the inside of Presley. I got her in the color Elephant, and I'm not sure if that was the only color available, if it was just the color that I preferred at the time. I don't really recall. I guess that's one of the cons of purchasing something and then waiting a while before you actually open her up or use her. But you can see her interior with the standard Dooney setup. She has a large slip on the front. She has her key keeper. She also has a zip pocket lined in leather, and she has the slip pocket. And then on the interior, as you're used to seeing, she also has the Dooney and Bourke patch. So the measurements on the Presley are, she is 8¼ inches in height. She has a width of 4 inches, and she has a length of 11½ inches. So really a nice size medium bag for all of your everyday carry needs. Her style number is R1190. Currently, the only color that's available on I Love Dooney is sky blue. However, it is a beautiful color. So I'm just going to share a picture of it. So if you're interested in Presley, you like light, bright, fun colors, now would be the time to pick her up because that sky blue is really pretty and she is at a good price. So that's the Presley. When I wear her, I will share with you what fits or closer to that time. But obviously she's a really nice everyday bag. So let me move on to the next item, which I thought was in this box, is not in this box. Let me grab her because she's obviously in another box, and I will be right back. Okay, I believe this is my next item, but let's see. Looking good so far. Oh, wow, guess what? I finally got a sticker. I haven't had a sticker in over a year. What's going on? I will take it. Awesome. Sorry, I haven't got one in a while. So there's my receipt. Give me a moment while I dispose of the box. Okay, so here's the next item. This is a Dooney wallet, as you can see. And is it the one yep, this is what I was waiting for. Okay, oh my goodness, this is so cute. So this is the Dooney and Bourke medium pebble grain zip around wallet. And I'm not sure how that white is turning out for us here on the camera. But I had purchased this item to go with my white Barrel Satchel 28, but I decided to go with the other accessories that you saw in a prior video when I did a what's in my bag on that bag, which I will link to this video if you're interested. So this is the zip around wallet. It has the leather braided zipper pull, and on the inside she has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Said she had 10 credit card slots, so let me take some more stuff out of here. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over here it's 5, 6, 7, 8 slots. Then she has a zipper compartment on the inside and maybe 2 more slots, so that's why they're saying it's 10 credit card slots. 1, 2, and a compartment here, compartment here. This red and white is really pretty. What do you think? And the zipper compartment there, and then the 2 sections here. So even though this is a medium, I think it'll hold quite a bit. So I am in love. So let me tell you about the medium zip around wallet. I bought this also at 30% off in July with the sail away sale. Right now on sale with the Friends and Family I Love Dooney sale. It is regularly for Dooney, this wallet is $138. Normally for I Love Dooney, it's 25% off, which would make it $103.50. Right now, with the Friends sale, it's $72.45. So if you want to pick up a medium wallet, perhaps now is the time. This one is in white. However, they do have lots of colors available with this one. And I'll just show you a little sample of what's on the site with all the colors available. So this is really cute. 10 credit card slots with the medium wallet. Pebble grain. I'm so excited. So that is item number 2 for the sale that's going on right now. And then the last item I unboxed previously because it came with something else that I opened before, but I never opened this. So let me share this with you. This is the Pebble grain large framed purse. And I bought this one for 2 reasons. One, it was on sale. You know how that goes. And then the second reason I bought it, well, maybe 3. Well, maybe 2. Second reason why I bought it is because of the color. And I think her color is spearmint. How cute is this? So I can't wait to like match her up as a pop of color in some of my bags. So the color is what got me. And the framed purse right now on I Love Dooney, pebbled leather, they only have it in one color, and the color is white. But if you saw the white on that medium wallet, you might be interested because it's very, very nice. This Dooney is normally $78 for Dooney. It's $51 normally on ILD with 35% off. And right now, the sale price with friends and family is $35.70. So this, the dimensions on this bag are, or this little pouch are, height of 4.5 inches, width of 1.25 inches, and length 5.75 inches. So these, I use as my pretty pouches because I love to put like lipstick and the like chapstick, mascara, my mirror, and those things which you've seen before. So she has 6 total card slots. And you can use this for whatever you like. I love the little kiss lock at the top. Reminds you of the old school purses that maybe your mom or others would keep their cigarettes in or something. I think they might have been a little bit longer, but I love these little pouches, so I have several in several different colors. Okay, so that is the video for today. I am so excited about getting my Dooney duck sticker. Have you guys gotten any of those in a while? I used to get them all the time, and now it's rare, as you can see, that I actually get one. But here's my stash. Here's my haul from I Love Dooney, and all of these are currently on sale, so I hope you get to snatch them up. I would like to thank all of my subscribers, new and existing. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, I would encourage you to please subscribe. So thank you all for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please binge watch. I have a lot of good information out there that may help you make some purchasing decisions. And I put playlists on my channel so that you can look at them by brand that may interest you. I have Dooney, I have Coach, I have Gucci, I have Versace, I have Louis Vuitton, I have some other ones that are escaping me right now. But if you go check it out, you'll be able to see what I'm referring to. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy your carries, and we will talk soon.